So you heard about Sui, but you're not sure where to start. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 things you need to get started on Sui Network. Okay, so for the first thing, obviously we need a wallet. So I highly recommend using Sui Wallet. Later on this channel, I'll be doing a full walkthrough to go over the whole Sui Wallet application on the phone. We're also able to use it on desktop. And the best part is with Sui or Sui Network, you're also able to log in with your Gmail account or Twitch with something called ZK Login. So if you want to onboard your friends very easily, they can log in with their Gmail account or Twitch and instantly have an account in under 10 seconds. Okay, so for point number 2 is where the heck do I get a domain so I don't have a crazy long wallet address? Well, it's actually super easy on Sui. All you have to do is on the app, go to apps, and it should be the 4th option called Sui Name Service. Once you click on that, it'll bring up Sui Name Service, own your identity, have your domain, and you don't have to worry about a clunky address ever again. Okay, so then you just put in which domain that you'd want. So since this is being uploaded to YouTube, we'll put in YouTube TV, and that is good to go for 20 Sui. So all I have to do is click on it and hit buy and move forward. And then for 20 Sui, you own that domain for a year. And after that, you'll actually get a notification 1 month prior, and then you're able to extend it by 1 to 5 years. So you have a domain always for you at a discounted price. Okay, so this brings me now to point 3. Can Trevin do math? I sure hope he can. And this is the best place to swap or the best aggregator on Sui, and that is called Hop. So it's actually the 3rd option when you're on the Sui app site. And all you do is you just click on it really quick and it'll bring up hop.ag. And this is the best for swapping anything on Sui. So since we also do have USDC, if I want to swap 1 Sui for USDC, it's super duper fast. So we'll just do 0.5 Sui, and 0.5 Sui right now is 1 USDC. And we actually just dropped USD native last week, which is huge news. And we'll just click connect wallet and you'll hit Sui Wallet with the wallet you already connected, since we're using the Sui Wallet Explorer. Okay, once that's connected, we'll just hit trade and I'll show you how fast Sui is. And boom, okay, it was already done. It took 0.79 seconds to swap 0.05 of Sui into 1 USDC. And sometimes it is as fast as 0.45. So depending on where you're at, the speed could differ, but usually it's under 1 second, with a huge update from Mississippi, which made Sui super fast. Okay, so point number 4, DeFi. So DeFi on Sui is very simple and probably one of the best UIs you'll come across when navigating which one you want to work with. So in this video, we'll be showing you SuiLend and how easy it is to get started. So we'll be basically going back to our apps. We'll click on SuiLend. So it'll be SuiLend.fi for people looking to get started on desktop. And then we just hit launch app. And from here, you have to sign in if you haven't already connected your Sui wallet. And once you scroll down, you're able to see what APR they offer for depositing into this protocol. So right now they're offering 4.32% on your Sui. So it's super simple and takes you less than 10 seconds. So click it, put in whatever amount you would like, and hit deposit. And that should take around 1 to 2 seconds. It is registered, and now you're earning whatever APR is on your screen right now. And since we also swapped some USDC before, we're able to do this too. So we'll type in some USDC and hit done. and boom, we should be getting 9.17 APR for putting USDC into SuiLend. And for number five, you're probably wondering which explorer should I use for Sui. Well, my favorite one is actually called SuiVision.xyz, and this is the best explorer and easiest and most simplest and cleanest UI, probably in my opinion, in all of Web3, but I'm a little biased. So from right here, you're able to basically put in any address, any transaction. You're able to track how many wallets on Sui, which protocols are bringing the most hype to Sui, and everything and anything you can think of. So SuiVision is your best friend for anything to track on Sui Network. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking to follow me on X, follow me at Trevin vs NFT. I post a lot on there too, and most of the content I'll be posting on YouTube or this channel will also be going on to X. I appreciate every single one of you for watching my videos, and don't worry, because I will see you in Web3.